Hey, this is Brian Wolfe, and I'm just going to show you a couple of tips and tricks. I'm going to show you my splatter business card method here. And I'm just putting some wet paint on the end of a business card, and if I flick it off the paint here, off the edge of the card, then I can get this splatter technique here. So if I'm going to do like a star field, you know, I can get a whole bunch of stars going here. Pull out a few stars like that. And then I have, you know, a million constellations here very quickly. I can also, if I get some red, I can splatter some blood here. And then I can make that all gross. Paint some drips here. Like that. And I got this really cool splatter technique for that. Or if I'm going to do I don't know, like a rock formation or something like that, I can splatter some brown here, and then splatter some black, and then splatter a little white, and then I can get this really cool black, brown, and speckled pattern. So if I'm doing this I don't know, monster, mean clown, or something like that, you know, and then I just got this really cool texture going on, and just kind of breaks it up, gives it a cool kind of texture, plus you know, all that splattering and spattering. It's just these teeny microscopic little dots that you can't possibly get by painting with your paintbrush. And afterwards, you can give the person your business card and be like, okay, there you go. And now you have the opportunity to give your business card. And I think it's just nicer than a toothbrush, I think, because a toothbrush, although you can get some splatter technique with a toothbrush, well, then you got this paint-covered toothbrush in your kit, and everybody looks in your kit and goes, ew, what's that? Ew, do you put that in your mouth? It's got paint all over it, and plus, and then you get it all over your thumb, you know, and then it sprays out, and you can't really get a direction. Where with this, you can kind of get a direction, you know. You flick it in one direction, and then it'll go, you know, in the direction that you flick it. And that is Tips and Tricks with Brian Wolfe on FabaTV. Thank you very much.